What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 State Series, where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to Nebraska, adventuring into the Midwest. But first, last episode I had a bison burger in Wyoming at Terry Bison Ranch. It was fantastic. It was so good I decided to wear a little bit on my shirt. But where does it rank on our list? I got it pulled up here, given it some thought, let it settle. I'm a big burger guy. It was a fantastic burger. It's got the iconicness, Wyoming and bison. It all makes sense. And because of that, guys, we have a new #1. Bison burger is going #1 for now, above New Mexico's green chili and everything else. Which means, who knows, I may be coming back here. We'll find out. But like I said, today we got a long day. We are going to Nebraska. Long drive ahead of us, so let's get ready to hit the road. We have an hour, 40-minute drive to a city called Sydney. Let's get going. We are officially here in Nebraska. The second you cross the state border, it turns into like beautiful Wyoming mountains in the background to like flat, green, Midwest plains, like immediately. We're here, we're in Nebraska. Let me take this off and put Nebraska officially on the board. Yeah, we're starting to, I guess, make a little progress. It's kind of intimidating how much more we have to go at this point, but let's let the boys out and walk around for a little bit. Stay, Brody, don't jump, don't jump. Raider, you're so patient, you're a good boy with this. Let's go. Gotta get some more water. I did buy a big gallon earlier. It's windy and it's warm. It's like 89 degrees right now. We'll get some more in a bit. If he drinks too much before he walks, then he pukes. So we ain't doing that. We're walking in some shaded grass next to a hotel, which is next to the gas station. The supercharger's right back there. So some amenities here. I'm getting better at this. We're actually not overcharged yet, and I have some time to go to the gas station and get myself something without being here way too long. I also forgot I got that fudge brownie from Buc-ee's the other day, still sitting in the fridge back there. Might have to check that one out. All I got was a protein shake. Not because I'm being health conscious, although I like to think so, but because I have this chocolate fudge. I think I called it a brownie like 10 times earlier, sorry. Chocolate fudge from Buc-ee's. I'm gonna indulge while I drive and enjoy this, and then make sure I stay awake for the road. Let's go. Oh my goodness. If this was in contention for the rankings, the country would be in trouble. Everywhere else would be in trouble. I don't mean to interrupt this beautiful Nebraska drive, but we gotta address what just happened in the cabin here. The fudge is gone. I ate it all. Don't even want to know how many calories were in that thing. I doubled down with the chocolate protein shake, so you can imagine how I'm feeling. And I'm mixing that now with some lemon lime Alani. I don't even need this. It tastes good, but altogether I'm not feeling it. It's hurting. But I'll tell you what, it was absolutely worth it. If it was a part of this ranking system, that bison burger might be in trouble. That fudge was fantastic, absolutely delicious. Don't want to know how many calories were in that thing. We still gotta have dinner in Nebraska. Luckily it's not for quite some time. We got a while to go, but for this next hour or so, your boy is feeling it. All right, let's get back to the drive. We are here in North Platte. The boys know we stopped, gonna let them out for a bit. This charging stop will hopefully be a lot of walking, because after what happened with that fudge, I need to get some steps in. Look what they got here. That is sweet. I absolutely need that right now. But first, come on, boys. Stay, stay, stay. I already know you want to come, Brody. Time to walk the boys. We're in the parking lot of a Runza. What the heck is Runza? Nice little trail, grassy area. We're gonna go walk in the shade, get some steps in, and hopefully maybe take a pee. You can do it, Raider. Hi, my name is Brody. I don't want to drink water until Raider drinks water. And then when Raider starts drinking water, I like to push him out of the way, just like this. Brody, it's too hot to do any real walking around. Like, it's 90 degrees still here in Nebraska. But how about a windshield cleaning montage? Much better. I am gonna get the front bumper. Don't know if it's frowned upon still, but look at that. That needs some work. Whew. Alrighty, y'all. Successful stop. Got some steps in, got a clean windshield. Plenty of charge to get to Kearney, Nebraska, which is where we're gonna be eating our dinner. But I am sweating. It is hot and humid out here, but I unplugged. Let's go ahead and hit the road. Just arrived to charge in Kearney, Nebraska. Let's go plug in and see what's around here. Another Runza. Interesting. I wonder what Runza is. I'm just playing with you guys. I know what Runza is. Runza is Nebraska's biggest thing, and a Runza itself is Nebraska's most iconic food, at least for this series. Runza is a fast food, Nebraska-owned family chain that started here in Lincoln, Nebraska. Runza is the name of the restaurant and the name of what they are known for. It's basically like a burrito with beef and onions and cabbage. I was gonna eat it here with them. I don't know how this is gonna go, so we'll see what happens. Let's go pick up our Runza. Got the Runza. We're going for it. Let's see how it goes. Stay, boys. Hang out here for a minute while we try a Runza. Give me some backup, Brody. No, you gotta stay, my man. So here we have like a half sandwich, half burrito. I have had this before. It has been a while. I don't think I got this original one. They have a ton of flavors. You can add a bunch of things to it. This is original. I mean, dude, it's like a Hot Pocket, and I like Hot Pockets, and I like beef and cabbage and onions, and this bread seems like soft. This might be a sleeper. We'll see. Cheers. It's like, oh, what is that called? Like grounded up beef. What is that called? I sound dumb, I know. I'm not good at the food review part, but like, oh, my mom used to make something growing up that tastes just like this. I can do without that crunchiness of the cabbage. I think lettuce might be a little better. I don't know if it's illegal or not, but if you put the New Mexico green chilies on here, that would play really well. If I'm being honest, the bread is carrying quite a bit. The beef, the onions, the cabbage, it's not bad, but the bread is spectacular. No complaints, didn't think there would be any. This works great. I'm gonna finish this up, let them walk around for a little bit, digest, and we'll talk about it. I'll tell you what, after that giant piece of fudge and the Runza, this walk feels pretty good. I needed this. I'm good, boys are good. We're about an hour and a half away from Lincoln, which is where our hotel is for the night. Let's get there first and then we'll wrap this up. Well, I guess my spot's over here, huh? But we are back from another hotel sofa, me and the boys. Fed the boys dinner, they ate, gonna take them for a walk in a little bit before we go to bed so they can go potty, especially this one's gotta go pee. But to wrap up, the Runza from Runza was really good. I enjoyed it, but where does it rank? We'll have to find out tomorrow. I got my answer, but I'm not gonna spoil it. But I'll let you guys know tomorrow. So we're gonna call it a night here in Lincoln, Nebraska, and head to a new state tomorrow morning, and we'll catch you then. So thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.